He got down on one knee, 11, 12, 11, and her tears welled up, and her heart jumped to heaven. It was supposed to rain, but there's clear skies today. She was a rare gem, Romanian descent. He was a good man, gave her every compliment she deserved. Yeah, he treated her like a queen. He said, come with me, my darling beauty. Let's spend our lives together.
Hi guys, welcome back to my Patreon. It's been a hot minute since I filmed a Patreon video, but today I'm doing a studio vlog and I'm showing you what I do this weekend, because it is the weekend. But I also wanted to explain to you guys why my videos here on Patreon have not been very consistent. And if you've followed my posts, you know that I recently made some changes to my tiers. So the exclusive monthly video is now a bi-monthly thing. I have two reasonings behind this. First off, I post 4 videos a month on YouTube. I also have a full-time job. I also do Patreon and I also do commissions. So the time I have for editing and filming another video is pretty limited, and I decided to do it bi-monthly because that's just more realistic for me. And the second reason is that my platform here on Patreon is still growing and I don't have many viewers for these videos. So basically it's just Jessica who has pledged for my adult tier and has been supporting me pretty much from the start. So thank you so much, Jessica. I am so appreciative of your support. But I want to do these videos and I want to have an audience who will watch them and enjoy them. So I just wanted to clear the air and make sure that you guys understand why I'm not posting as many videos as I want to here on Patreon. So back to the studio vlog. Today is Saturday. I just had my breakfast, my coffee. I did a workout, which is pretty weird for me, but I decided to start working out because I have back pain and it's just good for your health overall. So you've probably seen this before, this intro, and the things I have to do today are do an Inktober painting. I have to do a 365 days of drawing, painting. I'm still doing that kind of sparingly whenever I have the time and whenever I have the mood for it. I'm not putting too much pressure on myself because I just want it to be a fun thing. I also need to package up your Patreon awards, which will come in the mail. So I will show you how I package up my illustrations and my gifts for you and what materials I use and stuff like that. And also, if I have the time, I have to do a pet portrait commission. I'm not sure if I will be able to fit everything in this one day, but basically you'll be seeing me paint Inktober, a 365 days challenge, and how I package up my Patreon goodies. And also, I wanted to still let you guys know that I added a new tier to Patreon, which is a t-shirt tier. So if you pledge to that tier, you will be able to receive a custom t-shirt every month, and you will get to choose your design out of 3 new designs. So this is one example of the t-shirts that I have. The material is really nice. The print is really nice, so I definitely recommend you check out my tiers again because I have made some changes to them. Other than that, thank you again for your support, and I hope you enjoyed this studio vlog, and I'll see you in 2 months, I think. Bye!
Fly away with me, it's time to fly away, fly away. His blood set me free, it's time to fly away, fly away.